Welcome back mga kachikas sa ating short update for today for the Tomcar. Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa ating channel ay maaari lamang mag-subscribe at pindutin ang bell button at mag-like, mag-comment at share.
Sa mga sakto our GMA Artist Tambayan or Kapuso Artist Tambayan just finished. We were live on GMA's FB. Dahil ako'y online naman, napadaan ako sa Twitter. Nagbabasa ako ngayon ng mga tweets ninyo, though I don't have Twitter. Nakakatuwang basahin itong mga ito. Nakakatuwa or nakakatawa yung mga grabe kayo, nananadya kayong magpaiyak. Grabe kayong mag-stress sa amin. Gusto nyo na lang kami laging paiyakin. Ang dami, nakakatuwa naman. It's nakalagay pa nga, it's their intention to hurt my feelings in one night. Thank you, GMA. Thank you. Wow. But yes, nakakatuwa. Sobrang nakakatawa. Kasi, marami ang talagang affected, marami ang talagang nadadala. Excuse me. So, thank you to everyone. Thank you so much. Today, I am unboxing this Emma mattress for our bed. Of course, I chose the king size already. Okay, so Emma Sleep is a mattress brand from Europe. It's an award-winning brand, actually, that's based on high-end German sleep technology. Here we go. More details about Emma Sleep. Apparently, the mattresses are quite breathable. They help alleviate pressure, back pressure most especially. They have climate regulation, so it's perfect even for tropical countries like the Philippines, even if it's a brand from Europe. And another interesting fact about the Emma mattress is that even if you sleep with, let's say, of course, your partner, your husband, your wife, or even your pets, and you move a lot while you sleep, it's okay because it actually reduces movement or your movement so that your partner or pet is undisturbed while sleeping. So, interesting fact. Okay. So, this is definitely going to our dream house, straight to our master bedroom, where we will be having a king-size bed in the near future, of course. So, this Emma Sleep mattress in king size will go perfectly for our dream home. So sorry if I have the tiny scissors with me, but I am doing this with as less damage as possible. So here it is. They use eco-friendly foam as well. Andito pa ako. I'm getting buried in this king-size mattress from Emma Sleep. But here it is! Hello!
Hi, Carla!
Hi! Naghihintay ako ng eksena, kaya habang hindi pa actors in, gawin natin to. Ako ay nagdasal. Maganda kasi na umpisahan yung araw, lalo na if it's a taping day na magpe-pray ka muna. Favorite songs, pero pinaka-favorite kong artist ay si Katy Perry. Pero maganda din na nag-workout to Cardi B. Yes, go! Movie recommendation. Siguro isa sa mga favorite movies ko, Meet Joe Black with Brad Pitt. Mga dogs ko. Sila yung pinaka-namimiss ko sa bahay. Pizza! Alam ko nakakatamad, lahat tayo tinatamad mag-workout, pero once i-push mo lang yung sarili mo na mag-start mag-workout, okay na yun. Yun yung pinaka-motivation. Morning person. Piolo Pascual. Siguro dogs or pets in general. Pet peeve ko kapag hindi ginagamit yung common sense. Kapag medyo dapat gamitin ang common sense. So, medyo na off sa akin yung mga taong hindi ginagamit o di kaya walang common sense. Excited. mas mabilis nagagawa o nakukunan ng mga eksena, kaya mas mabilis ang bawat taping day at mas mabilis nakukompleto ang show. Kailangan laging maging humble at respetuhin ang lahat, hindi lang yung mga nasa taas, kundi dapat pantay-pantay yung trato at respeto sa lahat. My husband's lover. Sunny day. Mag-binge watch ng mga movies and then kumain ng mga snacks. Ganon. Oy, actors in na kami. Kaya thanks for visiting me and for checking up on me and asking me those questions. Ako'y pupunta